Hello! We got to keep this short because this new Kantele is shipping out in today's mail to a customer who sounds like they're pretty excited about it, and I don't want to delay it and disappoint them. But why don't you join me here for the test run where we make sure that it's staying in tune okay even as I play, that the tone satisfies our very picky, acoustically minded ears, that everything looks good about it. So a quick tour of it. This is the solid maple body, so all one piece here, no joins in the body part here. The soundboard is a piece of walnut, that's American black walnut here, and the ponsi, that pommel part at the end there, and the pin, the tuning pin reinforcement bar, are also maple from the same piece. And then we have regular steel, plain steel strings, and a stainless steel varas. That's the Finnish word for that string anchor bar there. So it's that basic structure. We've got little rubber feet for when you're playing it on a tabletop, keeps it slightly up, keeps it from skidding around. And that's about it. The very basic structure, the kind of traditional Finnish bird head shape on there. And yeah, you heard a few notes. In the getting started guide that I wrote to go with these, I made a big deal about tune before you play every time. Confession, I didn't tune before this time. So after I finish filming this, I'll check and see how far out of tune it was. And yeah, we'll see. Anyway, here's some more notes.